On this metric conversion worksheet, we're going to go through these problems and solve them together. Remember, anytime that we go from lower to higher, we move the decimal point to the left or we divide. Anytime we go from higher to lower, we move the decimal point to the right or we multiply. So this first one, we're going from grams to kilograms. So that's 3 units to the left. So we're going to move the decimal point to the left, or we're going to divide by 1,000. 222.7 liters to deciliters. Liters to deciliters is 1 down. So we're going to the right. So we're going to multiply or move the decimal point 1 to the right. 16.45 meters to centimeters. 1, 2. So we're going 2 to the right, so 2 decimal points. Or we are going to multiply by 100. 39.56 grams to milligrams. So grams, 1, 2, 3 to milligrams to the right. So we multiply by 1,000 or we move the decimal point to the right 3 times. 3.54 milligrams, 2 grams. Milligrams, 1, 2, 3 to the left. Since we're moving, we're going to divide. So we're dividing by 1,000 or we're moving it 3 decimal places to 1,000. 28.6 grams to kilograms. Grams to kilograms. Grams, 1, 2, 3. Steps to the left. So we're going to move the decimal point to the left or divide by 1,000. Meters to kilometers. That's basically the same thing we just did. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we can divide or move the decimal point 3. So divide by 1,000 or move the decimal point 3 spots. 0.0067 kilograms to centigrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots to the right. So we count, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 607 centigrams. 1488 centimeters to meters. 1, 2 to the left, so we divide by 100 or we just move it 2 decimal places to the left. 42.68 liters to kiloliters, 3 to the left, so we divide by 1,000 or we move the decimal point 3 to the left. 2.78 centimeters to kilometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So we're going to move it 5.44 meters to centimeters. That's 2 down. So we're going to multiply by 100, or we're going to move it 2 to the right. So it's 544. 0.0568 grams to milligrams. So 3 steps down. So we multiply by 1,000, and we're going to move it 3, so that's going to be 56.8 milligrams. 0.178 milligrams to grams is the opposite. 1, 2, 3, up. So we're moving to the left, and we're going to divide by 1,000. 85.4 centimeters to kilometers. Same one that we did right there. So it's going to be 5 to the left. 11.50 centiliters to kiloliters. That is the same thing here, so it's 5 to the left. 96.7 meters to millimeters. 1, 2, 3 spots down, so we're moving to the right, or we can multiply by 1,000. 7.05 liters to milliliters. 1, 2, 3 spots to the right, so we multiply by 1,000. Grams to kilograms. 1, 2, 3 up to the left, so we divide by 1,000 or we move it 3 spots. 8.24 kilometers to millimeters. This is another big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to move it 6 spots to the right. See, my math's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8,240,000 millimeters. 43.6 millimeters to centimeters. So here's millimeters. We go up 1, so we are going to move it to the right by 1 or divide by 10. I said move it to the right, I meant move it to the left. And the last one is liters to kilometers. Sorry, kiloliters. We go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we're going to move it 3 more spots to the left, or we're going to divide by that. So we're going to add 3 more zeros. So you can keep practicing these over and over just to ensure that you understand how to do conversions.